This is our application DocReviewPad, and you made the
Yeah,
case in the past to us that, a lot of the larger law firms out there own very robust e-discovery platforms like Relativity or Everlaw or Disco, but they're
yeah.
actually the wrong tool for a typical file. Why is DocReviewPad better in your experience?
Well, it's straightforward to begin with. Um, and there are certain matters that I'm using Relativity or Everlaw or Disco, and when there are half a dozen of us working on a file, and we're doing the same, breaking up doc review over hundreds of thousands of records or things like that, then it's not a bad tool because we can all do the same thing. We can all touch the same thing at the same time. So that's they have a place. Um, Here, you're limited by your storage on your machine in the cloud. But on the other hand, um, the big ones, Everlaw and Disco and Relativity, all your storage is costing you a very great deal, month to month to month to month,
Yeah.
and the setup and everything. I mean, they're an expensive proposition. Now you're not going to do it in a case where you've got $50,000 in exposure. You're going to do that in a case where there's a great deal of exposure, there's a great deal of expense, and frankly, a lot of documents. So they're good tools for their place, but this is a better tool for actually fairly sophisticated cases because you can still keep a lot of documents. You can still keep and review and do everything that you would do in the bigger cases